where do you see value in agentic AI right now? So I feel like agentic AI has to be the most hyped thing going on right now within artificial intelligence. Everybody's pushing agentic AI. Greg Brockman at OpenAI called 2025 the year of agents. Karpathy on Darkesh podcast recently pushed back on that hard. He said, no, it's really going to be more the decade. Too, the decade of agents, because he doesn't think that we're really there yet. I've got some strong thoughts on this, but let me ask you this. Where do you see value in agentic AI right now? Is there anywhere that you're using agentic AI? ZZ?
Great question. Yeah. So I think there are a lot of places that agentic AI can be used. And for me personally, I already use it for multiple places. Coding agent is an obvious one. I think right now 80% or 90% of my new code is written by coding agent rather than me.
And you make it write tests as well, and when they pass, then you go and examine the code, right? You don't just accept it.
The coding agents are very fast, very powerful. They can churn out a huge amount of code.
Yeah.
Sometimes high quality, sometimes it's in a different direction. If you don't nudge it, it could go in circles. But if you nudge it frequently, it can actually go pretty far. I've seen different opinions from very good engineers towards coding agents, whether they adopt it or not. Some adopt it a lot, but some really do not like it. I think it really depends on how you treat your code. How do you view your code?
There are some people who view code as a means to an end. Right? They're like, look, I'm just writing this code.
Yeah, I just want it to work.
I just want it to work. I'm trying to solve a problem. Yeah. I'm building an application. And then other people, and I probably admittedly lean a little bit more in this camp where I view the code as something that I want to be beautiful. Now, I don't care about that, just in purely abstract terms, but I do actually care about code quality and stuff like that.
I think it really depends on how far you are into like the individual research, doing things for yourself, and you are the end user of the code that you're writing, versus if you're building something that a whole team is going to have to inherit if it's eventually going to go to production.
Yeah, I think, coding agent is probably the top one kind of killer app for agent right now.